Hello everyone, welcome to Ignition.
I fixed it.
He hasn't. Okay, so we've been having a bit of trouble removing and unscrewing the top. Now, my dad's held hold of it whilst I try and turn it. It's just not going anywhere.
We may as well show you the problems we're having. So literally, we can't get the top off. Now I'm going to belt it off. I mean, if you think we're stupid, please let us know what we're doing wrong. Oh, I'm going to break this, aren't I?
Right, hang on. Sorry, I'm coming around the camera here to get a body on it. All right.
Oh, shite. So, we are to the point of where I can't remember where we were last time.
No,
so
it's been a week.
It's been a week. I can't remember what I did yesterday. And I got a new car, so I'm too excited.
Yes.
So, allegedly I broke this.
Yeah, he hit it with a hammer very hard and snapped the...
Well, they've just watched that.
Yeah, so he's hit it, as you know. Well, you just said you allegedly broke it. We all know you broke it.
Yeah.
So, here's my dad's bodged job of a fix. So he reckons it's going to work.
What I did was I arrowdated the plastic back on. Then I used, did we show that?
Yeah,
probably.
Probably. Well, I can insert little close-ups of it
then
now.
we used the putty stuff that you put
Patex,
together,
yes.
Patex stuff. We put that on. Then we tried some air. That didn't work. No. So I've now put a black
sealant,
gunky seal. We'll put some close-ups of what I've done. Which is the stuff you put in windscreens with.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's a proper tough sealant. So fingers crossed it works.
Oh,
it doesn't matter what it looks like. I mean, it looks like a dog's dinner. But let's plug the air in.
So what we've done is we've now put water in because obviously we've done the oil.
Yeah.
But you'll see this. I'm that confident that you will see this in a future episode working perfectly.
So I've still got it on the dispense mode. And I'm going to plug this in.
We're going to waz him in.
Yes, make sure that our extraction lead or dispensing lead's in.
That's
there
in.
We go. Are you ready? Everybody. And now, we're going to open the valve.
Yep.
Oh!
You puffed her.
No, look.
What? Oh, shit, man.
Yeah, hang on. Let me get the camera.
Oh, bollocks. Oh, bollocks.
Right, so we'll get a little close-up of that. You can actually see...
Where it popped.
Where it's popped. And I'm not opening that all the way because it will blow up.
Oh, hang on. It might still work.
There you go.
Oh, no.
I'm very scared.
No. I've really butchered that, haven't I?
Yeah, absolutely ruined it.
Well, yeah, so, yeah, oh well. I think the technical terms is ass fucked.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh, bollocks. Well, on that happy note, too bye.